Good morning everyone. In previous class we have discussed what is noun, different types of nouns and formation of abstract noun from adjectives and nouns. Today we will discuss how to make abstract noun from verbs. So please everybody concentrate here. Making abstract noun from verb. We have to add some suffixes like tion, ance, ior, ment, ation and al. Here examples also given, dear students. These are all the examples of making abstract noun by adding suffix. Here exercise is given. Some action words are given below. Change them into abstract nouns. But before we start it, there is a note for all of you. Dear students, there are some verbs have a different form of abstract nouns. We don't need to add any suffix to change them into an abstract noun. For example, if I say die, and if we want to make abstract noun of die, we will write death, D-E-A-T-H. So in this word, we don't need to add any suffix, and we have make that word in abstract noun. So here the first word is given see. Here you can see the first word see. So here we will make the abstract noun of see is sight. Another one is attract. In this word we will add tion. T is already given. Now we will add ion. So a new abstract noun is formed, attraction. Number 3, discuss. In this word we will add ion again, and the new word we will derive discussion. Next one, argue. The word is given here, argue. In this word we have added ment, and the abstract noun is formed, argument. Then come to the next, agree. Here agree is a verb, but when we want to make it an abstract noun, we will add suffix ment, and the abstract noun is formed, agreement. Now F number, locate. In this word we will add tion as suffix, and the word we will get location. Come to the next, the word is given here, prevent. In prevent we again add ion, and an abstract noun is formed as prevention. Injure, then injury. In the word injure we only added y, and an abstract noun is formed. Then next, console. There is a word console. In this word we have to remove e, and then we will add ation, and an abstract noun we have derived consolation. Then next one, assist. Assist, in this word we have added ance, and the word we have derived assistance. Attach, in this verb we have added ment as suffix, and the abstract noun we have derived attachment. Approve. In this word al we have derived and the word we have got here approval. Now question number 2. Change the following words into abstract noun. Here students, you can see the box is given here. In this box there are some words given here. First word is wise. In this word we have added DOM. So the new word we have derived here wisdom. Now come to the next number 2, proud. In this word we have added Y and we have derived a new word proudy. So proudy and an abstract noun is made here, proudy from proud. Number C, the word is given here courage. In this word we will add OUS. OUS is already given here. We will add only LY and an abstract noun is formed as courageously. Number D, intelligent is given here. The verb is intelligent and by adding CE, first of all we have to remove T from intelligent and then we will add CE and the word will make intelligence. Next one is famous. So the abstract noun is famous will be fame. Come to the next. The word is written here neighbor. So in this word we will add HOOD, hood, as suffix and an abstract noun we will derive as neighborhood. Number G, the word is given here no. No is an action word. But when we will add suffix EDGE, an abstract noun is formed as knowledge. Number H, the word is given here king. And by adding DOM, an abstract noun is formed as kingdom. And last one is the word which is given here glorious. Which one? Glorious. And if we want to make this action word into abstract noun, we have to write here glory. So glory is an abstract noun of glorious. It's all about our abstract nouns. So in this class we are completing our first lesson, nouns. Thank you.